What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Man, we got a $1,200 box in today. $11.50 plus the $50 shipping. Trying to keep it low. My little boy in there knocked out sleep. I'm trying to get this video up and out to y'all quickly. I got two other boxes coming in too. This box was, like I said, it was $11.50 plus the $50 shipping. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box. I'm low-key excited about this box, man. I've been seemed like waiting a while for it to come in. Shipping kept getting delayed on this one, which is why it's kind of late on the upload. Last box was pretty cool though, did pretty well. Hopefully this one is the same. $11.50, man. We've been getting all $1,000 on up boxes, and off the top, these shoes are huge. These shoes are huge in this box, man. We got some Air Force Ones. I told y'all these was huge. These joints are a size 14. They look to be dead stock, but for some reason, you guys probably can't see it, but there's like some pink. I don't know if that'll come out. Yeah, I think that'll come on. These shoes don't have no box, so it might have been something inside the box. These are dead stock. Air Force One high, size 14. Boom, nothing too special. I don't know nothing about these. I know everybody on the Air Force One bandwagon right now. Air Force One and SBs. Speaking of SBs, we got these. Now, if you've been following me, you know I know nothing about SBs or dunks or anything like that, but I actually know these. Walk the Dogs. Walk the Dogs SBs. I remember these when they came out because they came with like a trash bag. So when you take your dog for a walk, you can pick up the little poop or whatever the dog leaves behind. The box was dope. I remember seeing it on some page on IG. Let me tell y'all the size before I get to do that. These are size 14 also. Walk the Dog SB. I don't know what the market is on these. Check out the bottom. That's supposed to like simulate stepping in dog poop. Very good condition. Very good condition. These are super solid. I'm actually a fan of these, man. When SBs do a theme on a shoe, bro, they go all out. Y'all gotta see the box for those. The box was lit for those. We got some LeBron James. I think these are the 16s or 17s. I lost count. I do know that these are the Martin theme ones. I remember when these hit last year sometime. I'm a Martin fan. And these right here is like the colorway of his show. I'm trying to find the shoe size for these. 14, should I already knew. Not dead stock, but as you can tell, super clean. Somebody laced them up with both laces in there. I don't know if that's how they come or what, but that's how you guys will be getting them if I ship them to you. So I do not want to unlace these. Check them out, man. These are clean. The Martin themed LeBron James. I don't know if that's his favorite show or what, but I mean, Martin is a classic. I'm some big feet. Bro, this shoe box is packed. You guys know the last box only had like 6 pair. We already pulled out 4 with these Air Force Ones, all red, a little white right here, and on the back, size 14. This pair is dead stock also. You guys check out the bottom, red bottoms, all the stars. They still like they even factory laced. Size 14s. I don't know who is going to want those. $1,200 box. Boom. I hope. I don't know if this is the money shoe or not. Let me see what size these are. I'm assuming 14 also. These things are huge. This is actually my first time getting these. This is my first time owning a pair of these, and these are size 13. So no, these are her size 13, which is actually good. It'd be a little easier to move. But these are the 750. This is my first time owning a pair of these, and I've been doing beater boxes for how long now? Just now getting these. They're actually not that bad. in hand. I mean, I was a fan of them when they came out. They kind of dope to me, whether it's a Yeezy or not. So it's just a super clean shoe. I'm just looking at them because, like I said, it's my first time having a pair. Check out the bottom. The boost is still very white. I don't know what the value of these are, but I'm assuming this is probably more than half the box, even without a box. I don't know though. Y'all know I don't really follow the hype stuff like I should, since I be reselling, but whatever. Next up, I'm assuming them was the money shoe of the box, man, because I'm seeing boxes like this all throughout here now. We got an Air Penny 2, size 9. This is a Grail status shoe for me, man. Grail status shoe for me. This brings back so many memories. These are Penny Hardaways. One of the first shoes that got me into shoes, along with the Jordan 12s. I don't know if they came out around the same time, but that's when I started paying attention to shoes. These are the old 2008 release. You tell from the box it's an older release, but these are in great shape. A little sock land in there, but overall, pretty solid, size 9, very dope, man. That Orlando Magic colorway, Penny Hardaway. Some say he would have been just as good as Jordan if it wasn't for injuries. Very dope, very dope. We got an Adidas. We got Crazy 8, man. Anytime you get anything like that Kobe wore, it's just like make you think of Kobe. Like, man, this sucks. What happened to him? These things look dead stuck. Crazy 8. Adidas. I don't know how to move these. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do these yet. But these are size 9. Obviously, I can't keep them. I can't fit them. Very dope. I'm moving them around a lot. Dead stocks. I don't even know. I pulled out the other one. It's tough, man, when it comes to just Kobe stuff, because I don't want to be one of those people that's trying to capitalize off this, man. We got 3 pair left. Air Penny 2 LE, so we got some more pennies in a size 9. We got the Sprite joints. These are dead stock. Should be an easy move, whether they have to go on the Instagram page or StockX and go. That's a good thing about dead stock shoes. They gonna sell very fast. These are the Sprite edition. I'm actually not a fan of these. I like the first ones I just showed you guys. I'm not that lime green color or whatever. The shoe type, but I wasn't feeling the colorway of those. We got 2 pair left. I got a 1 box. I'm not even gonna look at it. I got a white box. Maybe I'll do this one first. Okay, this is a 1 box too. It's a women's Air Jordan 1 Rebel, size 8. Air Jordan 1 Rebels. You guys probably seen me unbox these before. I had the top 3s in this shoe. This shoe appears to be dead stock. So all in all, man, I done pulled out 4 or 5 pair of dead stock shoes. This box is pretty good. Pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. For $1,200, I buy these all day. Well, not these, but you know, the box. Those will probably sell fast. Last up, we got another size 9 Air Jordan 1 High. Okay, we got the friends and family joints. These is not like a highly sought after one, so it was at the bottom of the box though. I've had these before, so mine. I was gonna keep them for a personal, but I ended up like just selling them. I never rocked them. It's like a denim material. So they do have that Nike Air on the tongue. Friends and family, they have multiple shoelaces with them. Check those out. I actually don't even remember how I had moved these. I don't even remember. After you sold so many, you kind of forget where they all go. Here's the red pair. So you got a total of 4 pair of laces, including what's in there. Size 9 on those, friends and family. I think that's the name of these. It's something like that. Yeah, they got family forever, so I knew it was some kind of family themed shoe. Check out the bottom. I want y'all to see the stars. I try to make, when you come to ones or anything like that, that's how you can kind of tell. Check out the bottom. These are used, pre-owned. Check those out. Boom. So that's gonna make up this $1,200 box. This is the last pair in there. Thank y'all for watching, checking me out. If you're new here, hit that sub button. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Hit that for sale page link down below if you're not already following it. Most of these shoes will probably be up. If you already following that page, you will probably see some of these shoes before the video goes up. So that's the benefit to following that page, is that sometimes you guys will see the shoes before I even have time to edit this video, upload it, all that cool stuff. So make sure you follow me there. You can follow the main page too. I just be chilling over there. I think that's gonna wrap it up. Like I said, I got 2 more boxes coming. So I ain't gonna tell y'all the prices for them. I'm just gonna shoot them and upload them. Boy, ain't shaved or nothing. I'm just looking rough in these streets, trying to get these boxes out to y'all as quick as I can, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for real. Thank y'all. I'm out. Peace.